All right, in this lesson, let's go ahead and split out our variable and create an array to hold our data values. So the first thing we're going to do is down here at number 7. So the first thing we're going to do is create an array. An array is simply going to hold our values. It's going to hold our data frame values. All right, so what's an array? So an array in Python is this. 1, 2, 3. That's an array. Now an array in Python is not this. 1, Mike, 2. So why is this not an array? You can't have mixed data types in an array in Python, right? They must be of the same kind, and most of the time they're going to be numeric, right? They're going to be numbers, because most of the items we work with are numbers. For example, all the values in this data set are numbers, all right? So the next thing we're going to do down here, this is a little tricky, this next step. And it's not tricky, it's just kind of like there's a caveat. So down here at the bottom we have this array, right? So here's our array, we've created it. Right now we're going to split it into X and Y, all right? So notice here we have that 0, and here we have 11. If you come up here and you would count, you would say this would be the first column, and this would be the what? The 12th column. So if we come down here and look, so why am I separating this, right? That is the array with our data set, and down here is the array for our target variable over here, right? So why do I have 11 if there are 12 columns? Well, because the 0 counts, all right? 0 counts as a 1 in an array. So up here, this isn't 1, this is 0. Now this is 1, and now if we count over here, then this is 11, which makes our target variable, let's see if I can draw this, this is probably going to be ugly, but let's try to do this. This target variable, oh, that's not bad, down here in the 11th position, right? We're setting it to Y. Y is going to be our target variable, right? The rest of this, 0, right? So that 0 right here is here. It's the first column in our array. And this 11, come on 11, see how this goes. Looks like I'm shooting a rocket off. Ooh, is here. It is, oh, that is an ugly little arrow, isn't it? Let's color it in. All right, that's the 11th position, right? This is our target variable, right? TV, that's that thing we're going to predict, right? So it's not hard, right? The array, the concept of an array is not hard. Separating out our variables isn't hard. The caveat is it took me a while to realize that an array doesn't start with 1, right? Because in the relational world, the one I came from, this is really the first column and this is the second. Well, not so in a Python array. All right.